mu field kandi ninyenda kwakira
Brigadier General Twinamasiko Fred akagwa mu Rubutandu ahari Masaka Road orwa gatano obwari kurugwa mu kuzika Minister wabyo kwerinda Sara Mateke omuri Kisoro.
Mwe kwatirira mwihangane. You come and you pay respect to your dear father. Mwe bari mnonga kwihangana mukinamira shoyimwe the parents of the deceased. Bija kusibura mwana wabo muguruse kateitwa na n'umucyara we
mwebare munonga
ogu yazikwera izoba omuri Kabare Butare Ward Mahanga Town Council omuri Rukiga District kandi mukoro yakorwa hacishayi cya Katumba Primary School.
Consciousness eyo kumanya ngo hariho ruhanga obutushemerere kumanya no kwikiriza n'ekintu cyango munonga ngano ruhango baratumanya even when things happen mubwiro utarateka ngo bishemerere kubaho God knows it all.
Aho aferire abira director w'okutendeka amahega hitaka.
We remember the way you used to fight for us, that togetherness you brought among us. Daddy, you made sure all of us are one person. As we say goodbye, we take comfort in knowing that you're no longer in pain and right now at peace.
Katureke kwinamirira munonga ahabo kwaturamanya ngu tena niko muhanda.
Owazwekera Chief of Defense Forces General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, UPDF Political Commissar Major General Henry Matsiko yasima omugenzi Twinamasiko ahabwe byakorire ihanga.
We remember Brigadier General Twinamasiko with deep respect and gratitude for his unwavering dedication and exceptional service to our nation. His patriotism and care for others will be profoundly missed.
Brigadier General Twinamasiko akazarwe birabira na munano ku 11/1992 kandi akataho mahega National Resistance Army omuri 1997.
On behalf of the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs and myself, please accept our sincerest sympathies. Our thoughts and prayers are with you, your family, and all who mourn this great loss. May you find comfort and strength in this time of sorrow, and may his soul rest in eternal peace. With the deepest sympathy, Rosette K. Jengoma, Permanent Secretary, and she enclosed 5 million, which I am going to give the family.
Ogu akatendekeroho muri Yugoslavia omwaka gwa 1998 kandi akozereho emirimo myingi nka Paymaster wa First Division hamwe na instructor ahari Gaddafi Garrison Unit. 2022 akakuzubwa nka Brigadier General. Ogu akashomera omuri Kenya, Sweden, Yugoslavia na Tanzania. Yasiga abakazi 3 n'abana 9. Gasha kwa Job Namanya omuri Rukiga.